Good morning, children. Now we are going to see pronoun. What is meant by pronoun? Pronoun means it replaces a noun. Okay. Pronouns stand for nouns. Substitutes are replacements for nouns. Noun or nouns. Now we are going to see personal pronoun. Pronoun, it replaces a noun or nouns. Subject pronoun and object pronoun. Two types. Subject pronoun, object pronoun. Now first we are going to see subject pronoun. These pronouns replace a noun or nouns in the naming part of a sentence. First we are going to see subject pronoun. What are the subject pronoun? I, we, you, he, she, it, they. I and we first person. You second person. He, she, it third person. They also third person. I first person singular, we first person plural. You both singular as well as plural. He, she, it third person singular, they third person plural. Okay, children. See the example. I like swimming. You work hard. She reads books. For third person singular, you have to add S with the verb. We drink coffee. They go to the gym. Listen, children, while writing sentence, third person singular, he, she, it, you should add SIES with the verb so that she reads books. Okay, children. Singular, I, you, he, she, it. Plural, we, you, they. For you, both singular as well as plural. Okay. Third person singular, I already told you, no. He, she, it. He, for male, female, she you have to use. It, non-humans, animals, pets. You have to use it. See the example. That man has a mustache. See, naming part of for subject pronoun, I, you, we, you, he, she, it, they. Okay, for subject pronoun, instead of man, what should you write? That is male, no, so he. You should write he has a mustache. Okay, children. You is used for both singular and plural nouns. See the example for singular noun. Ricky said, you are intelligent. Okay. For plural noun, the coach said, I have faith in all of you. You used for both singular and plural nouns. See subject pronoun I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Abhi bakes a carrot cake. Instead of Abhi, what will you write? I told you no, what is my pronoun? It replaces the noun, isn't it? So subject pronoun, naming part, telling the naming part. So Abhi. Abhi bakes a carrot cake. So instead of Abhi, what should you write? He or she. Yeah, Abhi is a female, so you should write she. So what is the answer? Yeah, she bakes a carrot cake. Okay. See the next example. A woman walks with a dog. The dog has a bushy tail. A woman walks with a dog. The dog, instead of dog, what should you write? Dog is an animal, isn't it? So what should you write? It. It has a bushy tail. See the next example. Caleb and Tina built a snow fort. Okay. Instead of Caleb and Tina, what will you write? Other two persons. We are speaking about other two persons. You should write they. Okay. If you include in that one, you should write we. Remember, children, if you are speaking with other two persons, you should write they. If you include in that one, you have to write we. So Caleb and Tina, we are speaking other two person, isn't it? So what should you write? Yeah, they. So they built a snow fort. Okay, children. Okay. Before going to object pronoun, let's recall the subject pronoun. See, subject pronoun he, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Okay. I and we first person. You second person. Third person he, she, it, they. First person I singular, we plural. For you both singular and plural, second person you only. He, she, it, third person, they plural. Third person plural. He, she, it singular, they plural. Okay children. See, instead of male you have to write he. Instead of girl name you should write she. For non-humans, animals, pets and all you should write it. When should you write we? Ram and I, Sita and I. If you include in that one you should write we. Okay. You are speaking other two persons, you should write they. Example, Ram and Sita, Raj and Kamal. You are speaking other two person, you should write they. Are you clear children? Okay. Now we are going to see object pronoun. Okay. This is who is getting that one. Okay. Object pronoun me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Okay. Subject pronoun naming part. For object pronoun, that is who is receiving, who is telling that part. Okay. Me. See, John called me. Who is getting, who is receiving that one. Okay. You. Craig saw you. Andy likes her. Simon listens to us. I emailed them. Okay dear. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. See, object pronoun. Miss Ree gave Jack a balloon. Who is receiving? Jack only. No, I told no, receiving part. So, Miss Ree gave Jack. For male, you should write him. For female girl, you should write her. Okay, so Jack is a male, so what should you write? Him. See the answer? Miss Ree gave him a balloon. Miss Ree gave him a balloon. See the next example. Can you tell your friends to come on Sunday? Here, your friends. So, what should you write? Other two persons, they. Isn't it up? So, they, object pronoun, you should write them. Can you tell them to come on Sunday? Them. Okay dear, for they you should write them. Next see, Mom took my sister and me to the hair salon. My sister and me. So you are including that one. So what should you write? Yeah, very good. Us. Mom took us to the hair salon. For subject pronoun we, object pronoun us. Okay. See, subject pronoun I, object pronoun me. You and you are both subject and object also you have to write you. For he, him, she, her, it, same it. We, us, they, them. For subject pronoun I, object pronoun me. You, you. He, him, she, her, it. We, us, they, them. Are you clear children? Okay. See the example we. This is subject pronoun. We are in Paris with them. Them is an object pronoun. Okay. See, she, subject pronoun. She is cooking dinner for him. Object pronoun. See children, subject pronoun, naming part. Okay. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. object pronoun, who is receiving. Okay, so me, receiving part, me, I, me, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them, we, us. Okay, children. See, children, change the subject noun or nouns to subject pronouns. See the example. Seema reads a book. Here, Seema. She is a girl, isn't it? So, Shima, instead of Shima, what should you write? She. So, she reads a book. The children are playing in the park. The children, that is plural. So, what should you write? Yeah, they. They are playing in the park. The cat is chasing the rat. Ram and I are drinking juice. Write yourself, children. Write in a rough note. Okay. Thank you.